about Kerala and Ladakh. If you don't know, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let's see. First headline is diversity. Diversity. About diversity, can you tell me? Can you explain with me about diversity? Understanding of diversity. In multiple lectures, we have discussed about diversity. In short, we can say about diversity. If somebody you ask somebody ask you what is diversity, what means diversity, in one sentence, into one sentence, give answer. Okay, give answer. Then how you can give answer? How can you answer? How can you give answer? So here are mentioned, and you can also do analyze. You can give answer of this question diversity. Not every individual, let's say every person, you and I, and in our society who lives. Not every individual means not every person is individual, is personal. Not okay. If you are thinking every person is your personal matter. Here are saying every person is not individual, every citizen is not individual, every uh, you can say every each people in any country, in any uh, area, in any village, in any urban, in any rural. Okay, not every individual is the same. In one sentence, you are clear. Are you clear? Not every individual is the same. Next sentence we will see what said related to this. Every individual is unique in your waves. In your waves. Okay. Here are saying every individual is not the same, and also every individual is unique, but in your waves means what is your behavior, how is your behavior depend on you, but other persons can be different compared to you. So this example, through these examples, anybody you can understand. Okay, you can teach. Okay, about this. Not every individual. Suppose that behavior of you will be different. Behavior of mine will be different, and any person you take, and you will see behavior of that person will be different. So here, same here are saying in term of is unique. In term of India, here are given example. An example. In term of India, in the case of India, is known for its diverse. For its diverse means it's a our India country is bigger diversity. Is bigger diversity. Our India is known as biggest diversity because in our Indian country, people who lives that belongs to different diversity. Okay, different diversity means in other words, that means multiple people of multiple type of people, multiple type of multiple differences of a people. Okay, of a people. Here are saying India is known for its diverse situation, culture, maybe culture, languages, but it's include culture, languages, religions, and traditions. Traditions. So we can say through this, our India is diversity. Okay, in our Indian country comes diversity becomes diversity. And about this means related to this word, we will discuss deeply in the next step. Okay. According to the eighth schedule of the Indian constitutions, of the Indian Constitution recognize what here here also taken an example of eighth schedule of our Indian constitutions, and here question raise what provides eighth schedule of our Indian constitutions, what it say. So let's say here I mentioned about through this we can define, we can explain. Indian constitutions recognize what it schedule provides, tells us recognize 22 official languages. In the eighth schedule, if you will see, then you will get about 22 official languages. In other words, you can explain in the eighth schedule of the our Indian constitutions are mentioned about 22 official languages. And now in your mind would be coming, what are the total 22 official languages? Because in our India has many languages, have many languages. So therefore question can arise, what are the 22 official languages? So if you can say, if you want to see 22 about 22 official languages, then you can see in your Indian constitution book, even on internet, through internet you can check out what are mentioned in the eighth schedule of our Indian constitutions about 22 official languages. Okay, in India have six major religions, but if we talk about in the world, how many major religions in the world? So then we will say what in the world have eight major religions, and here are two subtract. Here are two subtract. It's not perfect. It's not right. In India have six major means in Indian people. In India, Indian people follow six major religions. Okay, here are given a name. First is Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jainism. These are six major religion in our Indian constitution. In our country, comes in our country. Okay, till here completed. In short, we will see diversity. It means, in other words, multiple of people, and you can say multiple people, difference of people. But here are definition. Not every individual, not every citizens, not a person, not every person is the same. Is the same. You can see what are the difference in within the public of the people. What are the difference? Here are saying it's not the same every individual. So arise question, what then what are the different? Then you can see, you go in your public between your public, and you can see difference between people, and if you live in your society, then also you can check out what are the difference between people. Okay, why here are saying not every individual is the same. And next sentence comes, every individual is unique in your own ways. I just say you to go in your society where lives people, where people lives. and you can see difference between one person is here, one person is here, one person that place in that on the at that place, and you can see difference between what difference will be religious, difference will be culture, difference will be speaks. You can say some people celebrate other religion, some people speaks other languages, means we can say it's a different. Okay, we can say these are difference. Okay, in the case of India is known as diversity because India biggest diversity culture. What are diverse culture, languages, religions, you can say. In our Indian country, Indian people follow, celebrate, follow follow different culture. Speaks people speaks different people different people speaks different languages, different people celebrates religions, different religions. Okay, and also tradition according to the eighth schedule. Here are mentioned about eighth schedule of the Indian constitutions, and they just say if you will see your eighth schedule of the your Indian constitutions, then you will get what about 22 official languages. Means in the eighth schedule of the Indian constitutions are mentioned about 22 official languages, and here question arise what here question raise what why 22 official languages are mentioned in the eighth schedule of the Indian Constitution? So this question can be raised. Okay, because in our country, as you know, many different people speaks many languages. So this that's why. In India, have six major religions, and as I told you, if we talk about in the world, then major religions will be eight. Eight. How many? Eight. If we talk about in the world, okay, in the world have eight major religions, but here we are talking about India. Then in India have six major religions. In Indian people follow six major religion, and also here are given what first is Hinduism, second is Islam, third is Christianity, fourth is Sikhism, fifth is Buddhism, and sixth is Jainism. And next, being diversity. If being diversity is wrong, is problem. Being diversity creates creates issue. No, it's not problem. Okay, to clear, I said you, it's not problem being diversity. But here it says being diversity has mainly two reasons. If in your country has being diversity, then mainly from two reasons. Because of two reasons. Two reason is what? First is culture influence. Culture means historical background. When people follow your culture according to culture background, according to culture historical background. Okay. Influence when comes. Suppose I live in our states, means Jharkhand, and my friends live in Haryana states. So what comes influence these examples through these examples we can understand, and state is another place, Haryana state is another place, and our state is here. So for study, we my friend is coming in UP states, and I am going to study in UP, Uttar Pradesh, and after some times we we met. I met from my friends, and we means I and my friend study in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, then culture of my friend and culture of mine will be mixed. When mixed, when will be mixed, then comes influence, then comes culture influence because what is mixed? What are mixed? Culture mixed. So then comes influence in culture, then we say culture influence. Okay. And second is through geographical means geographical climate, soil, water, monsoon. This is means you can say nature material, nature things. Through nature things has can be diversity. Let's take an example. You can understand through an example of Ladakh and Kerala. Just as I told you in starting about Ladakh and Kerala, do you know? So let's see about Kerala and Ladakh. In Kerala is a different. In Kerala is a different. What are in sectors? What are in sectors? Sectors is food, living, languages, culture, religion, and more. So on. More. Here are saying in Kerala, if you go in Kerala state, then you will find what people of Kerala, it's a different food to compare other state because you are going in state of Kerala and living is a different of people of Kerala and languages speaks different who people of Kerala speaks different languages and people of Kerala celebrates follow a different culture according you can say compared to other state compared to your state. Okay, and religions means people of Kerala celebrates different religions and more because these are major. Okay, these are major different. This state of India is located. Here are saying this state and this state is located in our India on the southwestern coast of India. Means you can see here is located what state of Kerala. Here located here this place. Okay, this place and also here is coast. This coast. Okay, this coast. But question is here what is the direction? What is the direction? Here is a south direction and this side west. Then we say southwestern. Okay, southwestern. Here are mentioned where southwestern means that means Kerala is located on the southwestern, okay, of India because this is map of India. Okay, and other side Ladakh. This is not a state. This is a region. Okay, this is region. Here are mentioned. This is a region. Is located where is located in the map of India in the northern part. Opposite this. Okay, opposite this. You can see. Okay, you can this. This is northern part. Northern part. Here is Ladakh. Ladakh is located here. Then we say Ladakh is located in northern part on the northern part of our Indian map. Here are saying also northern part of the Indian Union Territory. This includes in Jammu and Kashmir. These Ladakh comes in area of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, you can say Ladakh is a desert. Here uh, what will get desert. Our Indian map in two places gets gets a desert. Where first is Ladakh, first is in Ladakh and second is Rajasthan. Okay, Ladakh is a desert in the mountains, and also here are here are you if you see, then you will get mountains. Okay, you can see mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. But here question is according to Jammu and Kashmir, then where is locate then where will locate Ladakh? Then eastern part, because this is Jammu and Kashmir, means Indian Union Territory. This is western part, and this is eastern part. This is western part. Here you can see western part, and south opposite south, what north. But here comes east direction. Okay, according to Jammu and Kashmir, then comes Ladakh will locate in eastern part. Okay, you can say Ladakh is a desert already. We are clear about it. Okay, here in compared to Kerala is a different same example. Yeah, I told you. I was telling you, but in Kerala, when you are going, you goes in Kerala state, then you can see different between Kerala and Ladakh. Okay, different will be food will be different. Okay, compared to between this Kerala and Ladakh, food will be different. Living will be different. Languages will be different. Means people of Kerala speaks different languages compared to any state compared to any state. Ladakh in also people of Ladakh speaks different languages, and follow different culture, and celebrates different religions. Okay. So till here, what where till here we are clear. Diversity comes when people adapt their lives to the geographical area. When you adapt geographical area, then we can say diversity comes. Diversity comes. We comes in diversity. Okay, we comes in diversity. And here are saying in which they live. Just I said, I told what when diversity when does comes a diversity? Diversity comes when whenever means in which you live, where you live, and geographical surround you. If you adapt surround the geographical area, then comes a diversity. Okay, and in short, you can remember about geographical means climate, soil, water, monsoon. Okay, monsoon. According to these materials, according to these tools, according to these things, then comes changes, then comes diversity. Okay, in the next we will see about related to this, but in the next what will be in the next term we will see. In the next term we will see related to diversity, because it's the next, okay, of diversity. First you can say first part. In each book, what is book? The Discovery of India. Who wrote? Who write? Who written? This person means Jawaharlal Nehru ji. And this person say that Indian unity is not something imposed from other side, imposed from the outside. Who say? This person, this our leader person of India. And this person say Indian unity. I say we say what? India biggest diversity. India biggest diversity. So in this case, our leadership say Indian unity is not something imposed from outside, from the outside, but rather it was something deeper, believe, and within its fold, something folds. But it was something deeper. In other words, you say what? Believe, faith. Okay. So in this two sentence, you can understand and you are clear. Hope through this book, this persons say our Indian unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper and within its fold. Only carefully deeper. Okay, and imposed, imposed. Okay, imposed and person who this leadership and book is the discovery of India. According through this book, and you can say this person, this person was a discussion in this book, means the discovery of India. Okay, this person says that and describe in this book what is not something imposed about this word. Okay, about this word are mentioned in this book by these persons. Okay, you can read, you can buy. The Discovery of India means book. This book the term suggests us, tells us that diversity is not a source of division. For division, the diversity is not a source for our for division. For division. Okay, about diversity. Here are saying about diversity because this is related to diversity. If comes about book the Discovery of India, why here are coming about this book? Because this term are mentioned in this book when this person was writing, was mentioned, was writing in this book, in this context, in this regard, in this book. Okay, so this term suggested diversity is not a source for diverse if something, but in that time means 1947 when this book was right. Okay, then that time in that time many people think this diversity being diversity is our source for division, but in this book are mentioned was mentioned it is not source for division, but rather a strength means its power. Diversity, our a strength. Diversity, it's a strength for our public that contributes to the unique character. Yeah, unique character of India. Okay, if in any country you go, then many people will say what your biggest Indian country run perfectly in perfectly run in perfectly waves. So this point sometimes will hear. Unique character of India, every variety acknowledged and even encouraged. Here say what different people of religion, different people of culture, all people of Indian country, every Indian citizen acknowledge what diversity word, diversity feelings. एक every citizen of India acknowledge it and even celebrates, even encouraged, even accept. It was in Nehru, it was this person who coined this phrase means unity and diversity. This person was right in this book about related to unity and diversity, and you can see this sentence. This sentence proves what this person who coined the phrase unity and diversity. Unity in diversity to describe the country. Today we can describe through this term. Okay. The national anthem of India, this song Janaganamana, who was right? Who was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. This Indian national anthem tells us unity of India also, because in this case of Rabindranath Tagore ji, this person was composed national anthem of India, and this national anthem expresses what unity of India, about unity of India. But in this case of our leadership, this also leadership, it's also leadership, but second leadership is this person's. So these persons, so what to say? These persons, what contributes? What is contributes in this unity and diversity? These persons prove what this sentence you can understand, you can learn, you can explain. Okay, but I would say in the last step, what I would say, I am saying you why I am telling you about two person, about two leadership person. Why? Because this diversity is related to these persons. First these persons, second these persons. Okay, and this persons was composed national anthem song, and this national anthem song express unity of India, and this persons writes, this persons wrote the discovery of India, and in this discovery of India are mentioned about unity and diversity. So that's why I am telling you. That's why I am telling you about two leadership. Okay, this was about diversity. This was about diversity. That's it about diversity. And in short, we will see if we will see then I would say what. First was our diversity definition, means multiple different languages, about religions, our people means Indian citizens, different aspects are different languages are different, it's a different food, and it's wearing different clothes. So this depend on culture influence and also geographical culture influence. When one person in from other place comes in one state, in one place, and in other side other person comes in the same place, then two person, first and second, is meets each other, and we can say collaboration, and cultures comes in this context, and in this regard we can say comes mixed culture, and if mixed culture, then we can say comes influence in this regard. And geographical, about geographical means climate, according to a climate, water, soil, monsoon. Through this, our environmental, our situation can be changed through this materials means climate, monsoon, soil, water. Okay, and we saw about two example of state. One was state. State was state is Kerala, and second is Ladakh. So we saw between the difference. What different people speaks a different languages. Yeah, this was last. That's it about diversity.